So hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to tell you about how can you earn money while studying in your college. And there are many ways you can earn money in your college years, but here are six ways which I will tell you that how can you earn money in your college years. So let's start the video, and if you are not the subscriber of my channel, then first subscribe the channel and tap on the notification bell icon so that you can receive my upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all, the first way of earning money in your college time is freelancing. Guys, everybody knows about freelancing, but this is the best way you can earn money. This is the you can call it as everybody wants to do this work. In this work there is a lot of money. Like freelancing, it's a platform. There are many platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, where you can work and you can earn money. And guys, if you are good in any of your skill like video editing, graphic designing, or anything, then you can edit the videos, you can edit the photos, you can do anything. Then you should do the freelancing. There is a lot of money. There are many clients who need the video editors, who need graphic designers, and they pay a good hefty amount. So this is the way. Second comes is trading. Like guys, if you earn money and you want to invest the money, and there are many trading platforms where you can invest the money and you can earn return out of it. The third way is the content creating. Guys, there are many platforms where you can be the content creators like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and there are many platforms where you can create your content and you can earn money. Fourth thing is that you can open your agencies, you can open your courses where you can offer any of your skills or any of your thing which people need, and they will pay for you for those things. And it is also a good thing you can do. Fifth come is tutoring. You can teach the students online or offline where you want to in which subject you are good, and you can teach them on online platforms, or you can go at any of the centers where you can teach the students in offline. Sixth is that you can sell your notes. You can also sell the photos which you have taken on many platforms. And if you want the detailed video on this, you can comment on it on my video, and I will make the video for you on which platforms you can sell your notes, you can sell your photos. So these are the six things which you can do in your college years, and you can earn a good hefty amount. So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell icon